Hi guys, welcome to ARIVU channel. If this video is useful to you, like, share and subscribe. This is the Java series part 26. Now let's discuss how to change the size of the array. Is it possible to change the array size in Java language? No. Okay. But sometimes we need to change the size of the array, isn't it? So those situations, what we will do? We have one solution. Copy of inbuilt method. That method is present inside the utility package. Okay. So what is the role of this method means? This method is used to copy the content from the existing array to the new array. And we can change, that is, we can increase or we can decrease the size of the array. Okay. So if we want to increase or decrease the array variable size means that is not possible in Java language, but we can copy the elements from the existing to the new and we can increase or decrease the size of the array with the help of the inbuilt copy of method. So now let's see this example. Here I have created two array variables, number array and number array 1. I have initialized number array alone. I have given 4 elements to this array variable. So the size of this array is 4. If I want to change the size of the array means that is not possible. Because in Java language, if we define the array size once means we cannot change. If I want to change the array size means what I will do? I have to create the new array variable and I can copy the existing array elements into the new array and we can increase or decrease the size. How with the help of this copy of method only that's possible. This method is present inside this utility package. Got it? Okay. And this is what the output statement, and I have implemented the for loop. Number array dot length returns 4 only because here we have 4 elements. So the size of the number array is 4. Okay. For the first iteration 120 will be printed, second iteration 24 will be printed, third iteration 63 will be printed, fourth iteration 415 will be printed. Okay. Now I want to increase the size of the number array variable. That is not possible. So what I will do, I have to use the copy of inbuilt method. With the help of this copy of method, I can copy all the content from the number array. That is, this is the existing one. So inside this number array, we have 4 elements. With the help of this inbuilt method, I can copy all the elements from the number array variable into number array 1. The data type of this existing array and the new array should be same. Okay, we can increase or decrease the size of the array. Okay, actually number array size is only 4, but I want to increase the size of the number array 1. Okay, the second parameter refers the size of the new array. So here I have given 6. So now the new array variable size is 6. The fourth index value. So here I have given the fourth index for this number array value 11 and the fifth index for number array 1 55. I can give because the number array 1 size is 6. So the index value starts from 0 to 5. Okay. In this array we have only 4 elements, that is up to 3 index only we have. Okay. Now I change the size of the number array 1. So I can add 2 more elements with the existing one. Okay. So that's why I have given 11 to 4th index and 55 to 5th index. The existing elements of this number array will be added into this, and if I want to add 2 more elements means that is also possible with the help of this copy of method. So here I have to mention the size of the new array variable like this. So the first parameter is the existing array variable. The second parameter is the size of the new array variable. Got it? Okay. and this is the output statement. And again I have implemented the for loop to traverse the array elements. Here I have given number array1 dot length. Now it returns 6 only because the size of the number array1 is 6. Okay. So for the first iteration, the first element 120 will be printed, second iteration 24 will be printed, third iteration 63 will be printed, and the fourth iteration 415 will be printed. The fifth iteration, the 11 will be printed, the sixth iteration 55 will be printed. Got it? So now let me execute this one. This is the number array elements. Here we have only 4 elements. These 4 elements is copied to this number 1 array. I can change the size of the number array 1 variable. Okay, so now we got these elements. In this statement, I just increase the size of the array. Okay, now I want to decrease the size of the existing one. Is it possible? Possible. Okay, now first I have to comment these 2 lines. So now I change the size of the array 6 to 2. Actually the existing array size is 4. Here I have given 2. These 2 elements only will be copied into this new array variable. So we got 120 and 24. Okay, if I change this 2 into 3 means the new array variable size is only 3. So the 3 elements alone will be copied from the existing one into the new. So again I execute the same. Here I got 3 elements. I hope you all understand what is the role of the copyof method. Okay, so this copyof method takes 2 parameters. First parameter is the existing array variable and the second parameter is the size of the new array variable. Okay, we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.